Welcome to the Alphabet Cooking Show. Today we're making yummy foods from A to Z. Let's cook together. A is for apple pie, sweet and yummy. B is for banana bread, fresh and tasty. C is for cupcake, colorful and fun.
D is for donut. Round and delicious. E is for eggs. Sunny and bright. F is for French fries. Crunchy and fun.
G is for grapes, juicy and sweet. H is for honey, sticky and golden. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly, wiggly and sweet. K is for kiwi, fresh and tangy.
L is for lemonade. Cool and refreshing.
M is for muffin, warm and fluffy.
N is for noodles. Slurpy and fun.
O is for orange juice, fresh and fruity.
P is for pizza. Cheesy and tasty.
Q is for quiche, warm and yummy. R is for rice, tiny and tasty.
S is for sandwich. Big and yummy. T is for taco. Crunchy and tasty.
U is for upside down cake, sweet and fun. V is for vegetables, healthy and crunchy. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet.
X is for jigua. That's watermelon too.
Y is for yogurt, creamy and smooth. Z is for zucchini, green and healthy.
We cook from A to Z. Learning ABCs is delicious with the Alphabet Cooking Show.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy ABC fun.